Alright, I'm back again here with my beloved Shelby. Now, the high priests of SAC, the Shelby American Automobile Club, indicated that I really should put a zinc supplement in with the oil change that I did. It's a modern engine in the vehicle, but the modern engine is not that modern. It's from the 80s. It's got a roller rocker setup, and it's indicated to me that it has a flat tappet cam profile. Given that, it needs some sort of lubricant called zinc ZDDP right here. So I picked up this Rislone. It seems to be Rislone. Rislone seems to be about as good as any out there, I guess. I don't know that for a fact. I don't get any kind of a kickback or anything like that by advertising this. It's just something I saw at the AutoZone, so I picked it up. That having been said, after the oil change, according to the high priests of SAC, Shelby American Automobile Club, I need to add this to the oil to prevent premature camshaft wearing and various other engine components. So we will do this on the one take here. And it looks like it has a seal inside. Need to peel this off. It says sealed for freshness. Isn't that interesting? Sealed for freshness. I didn't know that this stuff could go stale, but apparently so. But sounds yummy. Might want to drink it. No, I wouldn't drink it. Would not recommend that. So in any event, let's peel this off here. Sealed for freshness, and not coming off as easily as I would like. Let's see if I can pierce it here. I'll do that on the paint. And, yes, it's not coming off. One moment here. There we go. And now it is ready to pour. Just put this cap back on here. Incidentally, I'm wearing the outfit I have on here. This is Suixtel. It's vintage racing wear. This is what the racers used to wear back in the 50s. They didn't have any fireproof suits. They just wore really thin cotton pants and cotton above, no fireproofing, and they're designed for speed. Of course, insane in these times to be wearing something like that on a track. That's all they wore back then, and pretty much helmets were a suggestion. So let's get at this car here. Just going to pour this into the oil breather cap. I don't know if you can see that there. I'll tilt it down a bit. See if we got that there. It looks like it's in the viewfinder of the camera. Just breather cap off. It's a little bit hot. I had the engine running. Let's pour this in. Don't really need a funnel. It says pour the whole contents in, so that's what I will do. There we go. Looks like motor oil. Seems to be less viscous than the other, than actual motor oil, but here goes nothing. And it is leaking from the seal here. Not good. Not good. Just keep pouring here. There we go. It says pour the whole contents in. It would have been easier just to have left the cap off and just poured it in. Looks like we've exhausted it. That's the end of it. And the breather cap goes back on. And voila, end of story. Now, it says here it's for older engines. Get a rebate here, incidentally. I don't know if this is any better than anything else out there for zinc additive. It says it provides the zinc missing from modern oils. So apparently they don't put zinc in modern oils. So older engines need to get this as part of the admixture, and it will help prevent premature wearing. And does it actually work? I suspect it does. It's like taking a multivitamin. Does a multivitamin work? Who knows? But you take it and you hope for the best. It says here, for gasoline engines, cars, and light trucks 1996 and older, add 1 bottle to engine crankcase. 1997 to 2004, add approximately a half a bottle. 2005 and newer, add approximately 1/4 of a bottle. So there you have it. End of story. And I'll get this baby fired up and back to the garage again. Enjoy your weekend. 4th of July 2023. Take care. Right. Time to put her to bed.